Okay, so this is the first application of indefinite integration, and it's called equation of a family of curves. And it says any equation of the form y equals f of x plus c may represent the equation of a family of curves having a common property, say, the same slope at any point xy through a specific point p sub 0, quantity x sub 0, comma, y sub 0, there passes just one member of the family. So, ibig sabihin, pag given sa ating differential equation, what we need to do to determine the equation of a family of curves is just by the use of the separation of variables, and then we integrate both sides of the equation. And the resulting function, yun ang tinatawag nating equation of the family of curves, y equals f of x plus c. Now, yun yung equation na masosolve natin na equation of the family of curves. Now, if we want to determine the equation of one member of the family, kapag given yung specific point dun sa ating curve, we can solve for the constant c. Pag na-solve si constant c, it will be replaced by a real number. And the resulting function is actually the equation of the one member of the family of curves. Okay? So, para maintindihan pang masubuti ko na yung sinasabi ko on how to determine the equation of the family of curves, I'm going to give you an example. This is my first example on the applications of indefinite integration. And it says, find the equation of the family of curves whose slope at any point is 2x. Find also the equation of the member which passes through the point to 1. So, ibig sabihin, dalawang pinapahanap sa atin. Ang given sa atin ay, lagyan natin. Ang given sa atin dito ay slope. Slope ng equation ng family of curves. Ang slope niya is 2x. Slope is actually m equal to dy over dx. Ang given natin ay dy over dx. Yan yung slope natin. Okay? And then given din yung isang member ng ating family of curve, tatama siya dun sa point to 1. Okay? So, ito yung isang member na tatama dun sa point on the xy plane na 2, 1. Okay? Ito yung ating p sub 0. Okay? Now, ang pinapahanap sa atin, dalawa, equation of the family of curves. Okay? Dalawa, equation of the family of curves. Family of curves ng slope ay 2x at saka equation of the member that will pass through to 1. Okay. Okay. So, paano natin masosolve ang problem na to? Gagamitin natin yung concept ng differential equation do sa aking first video. Okay? So, paano ba masosolve yan? Simple lang, by separation of variables. Okay? So, from the given slope, we have dy over dx is equal to 2x. Okay? Then, by separation of variables, we cross-multiply dx to the right side of the equation or differential equation. So, we have dy equal to 2x dx. And then, integrate natin both sides. That is the integral of dy, labas ito, integral of x dx. Okay? Next is integral of dy is y. And the integral of x dx, that will be x squared over 2. So, that is 2x squared over 2 plus the constant of integration. So, we have y equals x squared plus c. Okay. Sino yan? Yan na yung ating equation of the family of curves. Okay. Ito ay equation ng parabola. So, ibig sabihin, yung pamilya ng mga curves na tinutukoy natin dito ay parabola. Pero specific na parabola to. Ito yung parabola na kung saan opens upward. Okay? And with vertex at what? Ang mga vertices niya located dun sa y-axis or at the origin. Kasi if c equals 0, we have the equation y equals x squared. Okay? So this is our answer para dun sa unang pinapahanap sa atin na equation of the family of curves. Okay? The next is equation of the member of this curve. Okay? So we have already the equation of the family of curves with the slope 2x, and that is equal to, and that equation is y equals x squared plus c. Okay? So ang pinapahanap na lang sa atin ay equation of the member na tatama doon sa point o dadaan doon sa point na 2, 1. Paano natin makukuha yung equation of the member nitong family of curves na to na dadaan doon sa point 2, 1? Simple lang, all we have to do is to solve for the constant c. How? By substituting the x and y values of this point na tatamaan ng member ng family of curves. Okay? So, solving C. Paano yun? If x is 2, y equals 1. So, therefore, we have 1 cy, x is 2. So, 2 squared plus c. Then, this is 2 squared is 4. Lipat sa kabila with 1 minus 4. Therefore, c equal to negative 3. So, anong equation ng member? So, ang equation ng member natin ay substitute natin yung c dun sa ating equation ng family of curves. Okay? Therefore, ang equation ng member is y equal to x squared minus 3. Okay. Ito yung sagot natin dun sa kalawang tinatanong. Ito yung equation of the member. Member ng family of curves na may slope na 2x. Para maintindihan ninyo yung equation of a family of curves, lagay ko yung graph nito sa xy plane. Ay, sorry. It's my mistake. Should be x squared. Okay. Yan. Okay. So, ito, pag renap natin siya, yung xy plane natin. Ito yung equation ng parabola with vertex at, ilagay natin sa equation ng parabola, yung standard equation by parabola. This is, ilipat si negative 3, that will be y plus 3, x minus 0 squared. Therefore, ang vertex nito ay 0, negative 3. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, papaganito yung ating graph ng member ng family of curves. 1, 2, 3. So, ito. If x is 0, if y is 0, that will be square root of 3 or 1 point something. Okay? So, nandito yon. So, paganito siya. Yung ating, if x is 0, I mean, kinukuha na, if y is 0, hinahanap natin x-intercept. So, tatama dito. Okay? Ito yung equation ng isang member ng family of curves. So, ito ay if c equal to negative 3. Okay? Yung ating x-axis, ito yung ating y. Now, what if c equals 0? C equals, let's say, negative 1. If c equal to negative 1, the equation will be y equal to x squared minus 1. Okay? And in standard equation of a parabola, that is y plus 1 equal to x minus 0 squared. Okay? And ang vertex nito ay 0, negative 1. So, ganito naman yung graph niya. 0, negative 1. Pag ganito siya. Okay. How about if c equals 0? So if c equal to 0, the equation is just equal to y equal to uh, x squared. So ibig sabihin yan, ang vertex niya nasa 0, 0. Okay? Or nasa origin. So ang graph naman niya, papaganito. Okay? How about if c equal to 1? Okay? If c equal to 1, the equation will become y equal to x squared plus 1, and the standard equation is equal to y equal to y minus 1. What is the result? Y equals 1 equal to x minus 0 squared. So, ang vertex naman nito located sa 0, 1. Okay? 0, 1. So, ang equivalent graph naman niya, papaganito. Ano bang gamitin ko? Kulay blue. Asa 1 naman tatama. Okay? Yan. So, ito, c equals negative 3. Yung 3 natin, c equals negative 1. Itong block natin, c equals 0. At yung blue natin, yung graph ng parabola ay c equal to 1. Okay? So, ito talaga yung sinasabi nating equation of the family of curves with the slope 2x. Lahat ng ito, ang slope niya ay 2x. Any point on the curve. And pag sinabi nating member, equation of the member, specific siya, given dapat yung point na kung saan tatama yung equation of that member. At specific, nilagay niya, tatama sa 2, 1, at ito lamang pinapahanap sa atin. This equation and the equation of the family of curves. Okay, in-illustrate ko lang sa inyo kung ano ibig sabihin ng equation of a family of curves. So, depende sa value of c para makuha ang equation ng member. But in general, this is the equation of the family of curves. Nang slope nito ay 2x. And the graph of this equation is a parabola. Okay? So that is my first example about application of indefinite integration. Thank you.